Switzerland officials call it the Swiss Confederations. It is a small country in Central Europe made up to 16,000 square miles of glacier-capped Alps. Lakes and valleys, it is one of the world's wealthiest countries and has been well known for the centuries of in the naturality. The Swiss Confederation was the in Italy founded in 1291 as a defensive alliance among cantons in 1499. There is a confederation to become the independence from the Holy Roman Empire. In 1848 is new the constitution turned the confederation into a centralized federal government, editing the period of the conflict. Since then, the country has employed relative equality. Switzerland has a low unemployment, a skilled labor force, and one of the highest gross domestic product per capita in the world, according to CIA World Factbook. The country is strong, the economy is powered by the low corporate tax rate, a high development service sector led by financial service and high-tech manufacturing industries. Switzerland is a federal republic made of 26 cantons and the administrative capital in Bern. Most of its citizens live in towns and cities, the largest of which is the church. Thus, the most cosmopolations of the country cities. The country is prided in itself on the diversity and it's home to religions with the distinct cultural identities. German, French, Italy, and Roman languages all enjoy national status. The country is a cultural, the contributions are the disproportionate to its small size. Swiss citizens have won more Nobel Prizes, the realized more patients per capita than most other nations, and its nationality during period to conflict attracted some of the world's largest mind to immigrate, including James Joyce, George Bern, and Voltaire. Switzerland is also notable for the secretive banking sector. Reporting rules the illegations have lead to more and transactions, but the security rule the period and non-residents are allowed to conduct business thought offers all the entrances the various incriminations. Switzerland naturality has the long been honored by the European neighbors. The countries did not take to side to another's the World War, and it is not the member of the European Union. As a result, Switzerland, particularly Geneva, is a popular headquarter location of the international organization, such as the International Community of Red Cross and the United Nations. Thought Switzerland did not join the latter until 2002. The country is also the member of the IMF, WTO, and World Bank.